What's up, guys? B-Rob here, and today I'm going to do a review of this Premier Protein Winter Mint Chocolate Ready to Drink Protein Shake. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here I have the Premier Protein Winter Mint Chocolate Ready to Drink Protein Shake. And before I begin this review, I do have a little disclaimer. So my disclaimer is that my review of this product is not my recommendation for you to go out and buy it. It's just me sharing my experiences with using this product. My recommendation is for you to strive to eat as natural and healthy as you possibly can. But if you choose to use supplements like this, please make sure that you check in with your doctor and that you're healthy enough to use them, but also make sure that you follow all the directions on the label of the supplement that you decide to use. And with that, let's go ahead and get into this. All right, so what was I looking for when I found this? So I went into the store to just re-up on my ready-to-drink protein shakes. So I always like to keep those in the fridge, keep them ready to go, because if for some reason, something happens and it throws me off course and I need to grab one really quick right out the door, then I have them there. Good for getting some good protein in on the fly, on the run. Having it with you in case you're going to be somewhere where you're not sure when you're going to eat again. It's good having these. But anyways, I went into re-up and I saw this flavor on the shelf, so I decided to go ahead and give it a try. I wasn't going to at first because I'm not a super huge chocolate fan, but then I'm like, you know what? Let me try it. It does have mint. I am a fan of mint and chocolate, so let me try that, and then I can also just do a review for you guys, right? So that you could see what it's like. So what attracted me to this new flavor that I haven't tried? So I'm like, yep, let me do it. How much did I pay for it? So for this, I paid $7.47 plus tax. Found it at Walmart, and I bought a 4-pack. So that was for the 4-pack, right? Where can you buy it? You could buy it at Walmart. I also found this at Amazon, and I actually found the link for it. So I have the link in the description. You can click on that link, go out and buy. I'm actually now an Amazon affiliate, so if you click on that link, it kind of helps me out a little bit. So if you want to do that. But I found it. Link will be in the description for this. There's a video of me mixing up the product. So what I did for this protein shake, what I did is I poured some out in a glass so you can see what it looks like. And I actually ended up using that I poured out in some Chex cereal and for my midday snack today, which was very good, by the way. What are the 3 best qualities I experienced about this product? One is taste is good if you are a chocolate fan or a fan of chocolate protein shakes, but you also want some more variety. This is something to throw in your arsenal. I happen to not be a big fan of chocolate protein shakes, but I do drink them. So having this in there, it's pretty good. It's not the first. I actually have 3 different flavors in my fridge right now. This is not the first one I tried, but if I've had the other flavors a few times, then I go ahead and grab this one. Only because personally, I'm not a super huge chocolate fan, but for a chocolate protein shake, this one is not bad. Number 2 best quality is that it has 30 grams of protein. Most of these Premier Protein shakes have that. I think it's really good because it gives you really good protein, and it tastes good in place of milk. Like I said earlier, this is the 3rd best quality. Tastes good in place of milk. Like I said earlier, I'm not a big milk fan. Actually, I don't like it at all. But and I avoid cereals, a lot of cereals for that reason. Mostly that I just don't like milk. Not a big fan of soy milk either. But having these protein shakes poured in milk, in Chex cereal or another cereal like that, and having the protein, the 30 grams of protein with the carbs from the cereal makes a really good muscle building snack, and something that I would recommend that if you don't care about carbs, or you want the carbs for muscle growth, muscle building, then that's a good way to do it. What are 3 downsides of this supplement? Is it's on the weaker side with regards to mint. Like I said, I'm not a super huge chocolate fan, but I am a fan of chocolate and mint together. I like the peppermint patties. I like the Andes candies. I like the peppermint bark type stuff. So I am a fan of it together. And if I am going to have chocolate, having it with mint makes me want chocolate a little bit more. This has a weak mint taste. I thought it was going to be a little stronger. I expected it to be a little stronger. So I just want to let you know, when you try this, lower your expectations, because there's a hint of mint, there's a little bit of mint, but it's not as strong as what you would think. Number 2 is it's offered for a limited time. So if this is your jam, if you do like this and you're like, man, I want to put this in rotation, it's possible that you won't be able to find it after the holiday season or after the winter months. So maybe if it's selling really well and a lot of people writing in, maybe they'll go ahead and include it. But they do advertise this for a limited time. And number 3 downside is it's not my favorite type of shake, in my opinion. So like I said a little bit ago, I have 3 different flavors in my fridge. This is not the first one I go to, right? But it's not bad. I'm just not a big chocolate fan, but I do look for it when I do grab it and I want this. I do expect it, and I do expect it to be cold and good and do what it's supposed to do as a protein shake. How did this impact my workout? Just like any other protein supplement, this is great for muscle building. So it's not really that it has a direct impact on my workout, but for muscle repairing your tissue after you have a hard workout and getting you ready for the next one, this is all for it. This is all good. All right. How do I rate this product on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best? I give this a 6, maybe even a 6.5. Really because, I'm not a big fan of chocolate, but also it's a little weak on the mint side. And I guess maybe even because it's limited time that I'm just tapering my expectations. So I give it a 6.5. It's not horrible. There's times when I go into the fridge, I grab one, and I look forward to having it. All right. How can you use this product? You can use this to assist in getting your daily protein intake, which helps you keep and build muscle. All right. So hopefully this video helped you. Premier Protein, Winter Mint Chocolate. Please ask me whatever you need to ask me about this product in the comments. I want to hear your experience in the comment section too. Please go ahead and leave a comment. Hopefully this video helped me. If you want to follow me on social media, from Instagram at thisisb_Rob. From my Instagram account, follow me. Send me a little DM message. Let me know you're from the channel, and I'll probably chat with you or follow you back or something like that. I appreciate when you guys go reach out to me from the channel, and we link up on social media. Also, please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for tuning in. This is B-Rob.